poulet rôti à la Moroccan chicken with Moroccan style. I don't have everything there.
Some turmeric, some onion, coriander.
And I'm gonna add a little of my things as well. A lot. Look at what I found at the market. Beautiful little eggplant. We're gonna roast them with the chicken. And just few carrots and some fresh oregano, some zucchini. It's gonna give some juice. A bunch of garlic cloves, just like that. Oil. I use peanut oil. We're gonna roast them at 450 until we get the chicken ready. Generous ginger, spoon of turmeric, paprika, Baharat, but really a little bit, some cumin, saffron, but be careful, saffron goes a long way. So an orange with a little of its juice. Some olive oil, salt, pepper, nice mix. Chicken glow. Alright, it's beautiful kosher chicken from Trader Joe. We're gonna mix it well, cutting them just in half. Small. Of course. Petite pédon. I'm just gonna do some thick slice of. You can find this kind of dish on Amazon. Zucchini, carrots. Then it's as well beautiful. You can just take it and serve it like that. The eggplant in 45-50 minutes. Voilà. And we will serve it as well with the chicken.